Are you clicking subscribe on others' channels, but they're not hitting back? Let's break it down in 1 minute. The situation, we've all been there. You're supporting others, but it feels like they're not returning the favor. Why? The truth, we've all been there. It's the nature of YouTube. Why they don't subscribe back? Creators have their reasons. Content mismatch, time constraints, or just too much happening. What you can do? Subscribe because you enjoy their content, not for the follow back. Leave meaningful comments. Engagement matters more than numbers. Focus on creating your best content. Your tribe will find you. Closing thoughts. Remember, it's about building connections, not just collecting subscribers. Hit that subscribe button here for more tips, and let's grow together.